center. My matric number is 08DBK24F1208. Today, I would like to share with you guys about process of making a DIY wall clock. Making a DIY wall clock is a fun and simple project where you guys can show your creativity and learning some basic skills. These are the materials you will be used for the wall clock. Next, the center point is marked. Use a ruler to measure and locate the exact middle of the wall clock. A hole is made at the center. Then the clock hands are attached. Subsequently, the numbers are added. After that, the clock mechanism is installed. Afterward, the battery is inserted into the mechanism. Finally, the clock is ready and hanging into the wall.